Hi guys, let's make a pan with shrimp and broccolini and asparagus, some lemons and garlic and have dinner ready in 10 minutes. How's that? If you haven't subbed and you do, thank you so much. Please make sure to turn on that little bell so you know when there's new recipes. I really appreciate it. Let's make this. I'm going to spread out some broccolini and some asparagus on our pan here. I don't want to pile it up, so we'll get everything on a nice one layer here. So we're going to cook everything at the same time, and the only reason I'm going to do that is because my broccolini and my asparagus are thin, so I am not running the risk of overcooking my shrimp. However, if yours is thick, if you have thick asparagus or thick broccolini, or if you're using broccoli, you're going to have to start this without the shrimp, and then add the shrimp to the pan, so that it doesn't overcook and you don't end up with rubbery shrimp, okay? I'm gonna drizzle this with olive oil. I'm gonna scatter 6 garlic cloves, which I thinly sliced. We want a lot of garlic on this. I'm also gonna scatter a lemon, which I cut into little triangles like this, and pretty thin. I'm going to put a pound of shrimp on here. Now these are deveined and peeled. I wash my hands. I'm going to drizzle a little bit more oil, and I'm going to put salt and pepper generously on here. I'm going to squeeze some lemon on top. It's a half a lemon, that's enough. I'm going to rearrange this a little better. I don't want everything so piled up here. All right, this is going to go in an oven at 425 Fahrenheit, 218 centigrade Celsius. For about 10 minutes, guys, and our dinner will be ready. I mean, the most that you take here is getting everything prepped. 10 minutes and everything is ready. The asparagus cooked, still crisp. The broccolini, same thing. The shrimp is very juicy. It is not rubbery. It is perfect. How easy was that, guys? So let's taste this. We'll start with the asparagus. I love asparagus with lemon and salt. It's very good. This is cooked through, but it's still crisp. It's not overcooked. Fantastic. Broccolini. Wow, beautiful with the lemon. Very nice. Oh, also cooked through, but still crisp. Now for the shrimp. That's still juicy, not overcooked. It's delicious, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you soon.